part D. What is that guy called? That's an absolute value. There you go. All right, we okay? All right. So where did the parent graph start? What number? 0, right? Start at 0. Okay. All right, and then what's the number after 0? 1. So I'll go write 1. What's the absolute value of 1? There you go. All right, let's do negative 1. What's the absolute value of negative 1?
1.
So I'm going to go up 1. All right, what's the number after 1? 2. So I'm going to go over 2. What's the absolute value of 2? There you go. Negative 2. What's the absolute value of negative 2? 2. Let's do one more. 3. Absolute value is? What's the absolute value of negative 3? There you go. You see that nice pretty V shape it made? Now remember, that's different from yesterday, because this one we went over 1, up 1, over 2, up 2, over 3, up 3, right? Yesterday we went over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, because 2 squared is 4. Then we went over 3 and up how many?
9.
9, because 3 squared is 9. Are y'all okay? 3 times 3? All right, so last one, this guy right here. What do you notice about him? What's so different about him? Oh, and you got a test tomorrow that says a linear function. You can have a fraction for a linear function, but you cannot have a letter in the denominator, right? Does that make sense? So we got letter in denominator. And you really can't graph this because it's like a whole bunch of ridiculous decimals. So we're just going to kind of sketch that graph. See how it kind of looks crazy? So on your ACT, how many of you are planning to take the ACT Saturday? Anybody? Nobody? What about in October? Anybody planning to take it in October? A couple of us? A couple of us? All right, so when you take the ACT, thank you, it's okay. All right, when you take the ACT, they're going to give you a whole bunch of crazy things, right? But it's okay, because if you see absolute values, what kind of a picture are you supposed to be looking for? No matter what it says, if it's got those bars, you're looking for what picture again? A B. No matter what it says, if it's got an x squared, you're looking for a parabola, a U. Does that make sense? Are y'all okay? No matter what it says, if it's got an x in the denominator, you're looking for this crazy looking graph like that. Are y'all okay with that? So don't let it freak you out when you get on the ACT. You guys are going to know the parent functions. And this one is called a rational function. So we're going to ace that ACT. We're going to get some good ACT scores and some really high scholarships, right? Yeah? Yeah. Going to be going to Alabama and Auburn for free. Yeah. That's $100,000 right there. Easily. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to go in groups and do our perfect squares test on the computer, and then the rest of us are going to get in pairs, and we're going to work out our study guide. Where is your study guide?
In the back?
In the back of your notes. You already have it, right? It's in the back of your notes. And where is the study guide key? It's on Google Classroom. And if you do not have your cell phone, there is a hard copy of the key on the very front of the bulletin board up there, and it's stapled to the top. You'll see it? Okay? All right, so just grab your partners. Well, don't grab your partners. Find your partner. And scoot in close to them, next to them, and let's work this stuff out together. And we got tests tomorrow.